Hey everybody, and welcome to Introduction to Composition Summer 2022. This is a 6-week accelerated course, so we're going to move through things quickly. I just did want to come on here. It is week 1, so I wanted to do a little video navigation. Right here, there's no announcements in my video, but when you're seeing this video will be part of the week 1 announcement. So you always want to make sure that you're checking here for the announcements. I'll try to post something, maybe not every single day, but I'll be posting every couple days, especially at the beginning of the week. I'll put your task to do that week. So make sure that you're checking if there's multiple announcements. Say you log on a Tuesday, you'll want to scroll down, maybe look for all the announcements and look back. But everything for the course is located in our content modules. And so I have a welcome start here section. I have the syllabus, I have grading breakdown, the student health acknowledgement form, and then I've broken our course down into 6 weeks. Our course is a little longer than 6 weeks. It's like 6 weeks in a day. So I combine week 6 and 7. So if you start here in week 1, this is essentially all the stuff that we'll be doing this week. We have the week 1 introduction. I do ask that you take a look at the student health acknowledgement form and just write that you have confirmed that you read and understand that form in our week 1 discussion. We do have weekly discussions. So first post is always due by Thursdays, and then the responses are due by Sundays. And if you see, this is the grading breakdown. There are 20 points. You'll receive 10 points for your initial post, which should be about 150 to 200 words. You should just respond fully to the prompt. And then you get 5 points for responding to 2 classmates, so a total of 10 more points, which makes that 20 points. Late posts potentially will receive no credit. So if you do not post in the week of that discussion, it defeats the purpose of the course discussion because classmates won't be checking the previous week, they'll be checking the current week. So you do want to make sure that you are posting in the week that we're in. So let's click back here. Oops. So this is week 1 and you're just introducing yourself. So we are doing, we do have a quiz. I think we only have 3 quizzes this semester, this short term. But as you can see in the directions for the quiz, it correlates with the pages in the Norton Field Guide. So this is the literacy narrative section, which is our first thing that we'll cover is literacy narrative, and that'll be the first writing that you do. So you do want to make sure that you are reading the sections in the Norton Field Guide. I also have some resources here for you. What is the literacy narrative and some examples. And then if you've gotten yourself in a pinch and you do not have the textbook, I have a PDF version of the textbook pages, so you can read them here online, but I do recommend that you get the textbook. It is the Norton Field Guide. They have it at the bookstore on campus. I'm not exactly sure about ordering it online, but you do want to make sure that you are prepared for the course. As you can see, the textbook pages take a sec to upload, but I do have them here for you. So you do want to make sure, as you can see, it's a PDF, so it's not perfect, but I have, look, there's my fingers. I have uploaded the pages for you for at least for this first week's reading. So if we go back to week 1, those are the 3 or really there's the 2 assignments associated this week. So reading those textbook pages and taking the quiz, and then making sure you're doing the week 1 discussion. If you want to look ahead, so I've clicked ahead to week 2, we do have reading homework and a weekly discussion, and then you have your first assignment due, which is a literacy narrative. So you do want to make sure you've read those pages. A literacy narrative is essentially a story that you tell about an experience that you have with reading and or writing. So it's the requirements, it should be in MLA format. And it's about a 500 to 1,000 words, so it is an informal narrative. So you can use first person perspective, the use of I, um, and telling a story from your perspective. So I'll let you guys read this. I also have included some examples. And then here is Mother Tongue. That is the reading homework assignment. So you do have to read Amy Tan's Mother Tongue and answers questions 1 through 4. So that's the PDF right there, just in case you're having trouble with the textbook in the first 2 weeks of the class. And then again, the weekly discussion. So yeah, if you guys want to take a look at that. Now I'm going to go back into the welcome and start here. The student helpful materials, student resources. If you scroll down, I do have the Microsoft Word MLA formatting video for you, Norton's MLA supplement. So Purdue OWL, MLA supplement stuff. So you do want to make sure that you are looking at this MLA formatting stuff so that you do make sure you format your literacy narrative in MLA format. That is an important skill for this course. So you want to make sure that you're watching that video and formatting your paper correctly. So again, this is our syllabus. I'm just going to pop it open really quickly. So my name is Miss Gerke, Miss Heather Gerke. Here's my, because it's summer, I'm not really on campus a ton, but if you do need to meet, you can email me and make an appointment. If you need me to give you a call, I absolutely can do a phone meeting with you. That's really easy too, a Teams meeting. But you have my email here. So just shoot me an email if you need anything. And welcome to Introduction to Composition and welcome to week 1. I look forward to working with you all this semester, this very short 6-week term. And if you want to look ahead, also I have the course schedule, so you can take a look at our schedule over the course of the 6 weeks. We do have the literacy narrative, we'll do a text analysis paper, and then finally an argument essay. So those are our 3 essays for the class. Each week you'll have a quiz or a homework, and you'll have a weekly discussion, and then the 3 papers. So it's going to be a great short little term. You guys are going to do awesome. As always, email me if you need anything, and I will see you guys in discussion. Have a great week.